Bro, put me in the sack. I don't wanna stay here forever.
Just check me, bro. Okay. Record. It's in the fish. Dari itong is...
Put me in the sack!
Sige, ayaw mo.
Ah!
Lumos daw, lumos ka.
Go, 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 go.
Bago na ako din.
Find bandage.
Ignore.
Find my bandage.
Ignore!
Joke.
Wala la, I found about...
Dietary.
No, I don't wanna.
Well, let me sound my volume a little.
Hamak-hamak-ha.
Tapak.
Hamak-ha. No fucking chest here. Ano, fuck.
Oh, scrap
Scrap
metal.
ko, si scrap.
Ano? Oh,
Si scrap.
bandage balakil.
Nag-dran na pang...
Hindi, don't go to the dark side. Go to Canada. Stop,
Go to Canada?
stop collecting scraps and woods. It's not the time to fight. Yeah.
Ano, patyo ng bolso? Wait a check, bro. Wait, you have to,
Bro, you're too turtle.
Wait, I'm sorry.
Would you,
This time in the day, I'm gonna find bandage. In the day.
don't get disturbed. Are you hungry, bro?
No.
Wait, there's a chest. Sa tree house. Go to the tree house.
Tree house. I didn't see tree house.
Blind ass. There's a tree house there. Yes. Oh no, where is it? Oh yeah. Here.
Alright,
Go to the tree house, bro. Hurry up! Woo! Broke up garbage by 6, 7.
Salamat ang boss. Hindi
Open the door.
Open the fucking chest. Please.
Please, bandage. What did you got?
I got a good axe.
The fuck?
Tani mo kita ko di hospital, oy.
Budlay ma, bro. Now hurry up.
Si Lola?
There's a cage. Go.
This a fucking coach, bro.
Balik. Balik to sa mga. Go back to sa likod mo. Go. Oh, you dumb bus.
May kultis to doy.